with another quick and easy tutorial, an Instagram Reels feature that so many have asked about, and one that we have all been waiting for. Ever wanted to speed up or slow down your pre-recorded videos? Ever had to take your video, put it in another program or software, speed it up or slow it down, then bring it back into Instagram Reels and import it? Well, not anymore. Come on! Instagram Reels has introduced a feature that allows you to speed up or slow down your pre-recorded video actually in Instagram Reels. And they've made it nice and easy and simple, just the way we like it. Let me show you how. Well, the first thing you gotta do is you gotta open up Instagram. Once on your homepage, head to the top, hit the plus button and select Reels. Now, in the bottom left-hand corner, hit the box with the plus in it to go to your videos in your camera roll. Now choose the video that you want to use from your camera roll. Now, if you didn't record your original video in portrait mode, you're gonna have two options here. The first one being scale, which will allow you to make that video full screen. That's not the one we're focusing on right now though. Just below that, whether you record in portrait or landscape, you should have speed. Now once you tap speed on the left hand side, you'll be presented with some options, just like you would if you were recording the video in Reels. Quick tip, when slowing down your video, don't always go for the slowest. This can sometimes make your video appear a bit jumpy. Go for the options and pick the speed that suits the video best. Once you're happy with your video and you've chosen the speed in the top right hand corner, press add. You need to make sure that you change the speed at the point of uploading or importing your pre-record video into Reels, because you won't get a chance to change the speed to that clip later on. I told you it'd be a quick one. I hope you found this helpful. Get creative with it and don't forget to tag me in on Instagram to any of the Reels that you create so I can check them out. I'm Ray, this has been Simply Create. Thank you for watching. Peace.